Hi, my name is Robe, and I was born in China. I've lived in several different parts of China and learned to cook many different styles of Chinese food. I've lived in the US now for several years, and I've learned to cook many Western-style dishes as well. Today, I would like to share one of my recipes with you. So please have a seat and welcome to Auntie Yum Yum's kitchen. Okay, let's cook some country noodles today. First, I'm going to wash some cilantro. I usually wash and handle cilantro and other ingredients for garnish up front before I handle any meat, just to be on the safe side. Chop the cilantro to smaller pieces. I don't cook cilantro in high heat, so I usually wash it very, very thoroughly. Now, green onion, chop it to small pieces. And ginger, slice it first, shred it, and dice it. Now, this is what I call 3 G's: green onion, ginger, and now garlics. So I crush the garlic first and then dice it to small pieces. The 3 G's is what I call it. I use this in a lot of Sichuan dishes. It's a very popular ingredient for Sichuan dishes. Wash it with some water. When you do this, you get rid of the bitter flavor, and also when you pour hot oil or fry it, you won't burn it. Now it's time to handle some meat. Halfway thawed, it's easier to cut. You can use chicken or beef as well. Now put a little bit of hot oil in the saucepan. And just saute it. Now once the meat all turned color, that's pretty much done cooking. This is when you add flavor. Some Chinese 5-spice powder. And sugar. And the chicken bouillon. And some soy sauce. Now this is to add flavor for the meat. And once you cook this one thoroughly, and then you set it aside, I'm gonna now add some flavor for the noodle. Some sugar and chicken bouillon, just to add some more flavor to it, and Chinese vinegar, and soy sauce. And of course, you can reduce some of the soy sauce or any of the ingredients if you would like, but this one is pretty well balanced. Now I put 8 cups of water in a big wok. I prefer to use a very wide opening wok for boiling noodles. Put noodles in there. And for this dish, you want to use the flat noodle. And this noodle has a different thickness from the edge to the center. I'll show you the package later on, so you can see what type of noodle to get. And cover it, bring it to a boil, and be very careful. The starch can easily make the foam go up and then can overflow. So now you let it boil for about 12 to 15 minutes. Now, one way to test and to see if it's thoroughly cooked is to see if it's translucent. So bring a piece up and see if there's a white solid center. If not, then you're done. Now drain the water. Okay. Now you put that in the sauce bowl there. Now you put 3 G's on top of the noodles and add some white sesame seeds. Some Sichuan brown pepper powder. This will give you some really numbing sensation. It goes really well with 3 G's and crushed red pepper. Now you heat up some oil. I usually use peanut oil, about a half cup. I can bring this to about 230 Celsius. Then I put the hot oil on top of the 3 G and pepper. Listen to that sizzle. It's really amazing. The aroma is really good now. Now add some cilantro on top of it. Now you have your Chinese style country noodles. Stir it really nicely. Enjoy.